Hey guys, I wanted to create a short video to answer someone's question, what is A2 in milk? Okay, there's certain types of protein in milk. One is called casein, which makes up about 30% of the protein. And there's an A1 version and an A2 version. And what makes these different is that the different orientations or patterns or strings of amino acids. Okay, the A1 version is a genetic mutation. What's a mutation? It's a sudden change of alterations in the genetics. And A2 is not a genetic mutation. Okay, A1, being a genetic mutation, allows something BCM-7. I'm not going to tell you the chemistry, you don't need to know that, but you just have to realize that this thing right here can invade the digestive tract, okay, and create problems, digestive bloating and inflammation. Whereas A2 does not allow BCM-7 to go in the digestive tract, okay? So that's really all you need to know. It's that simple. Jersey cows produce A2, and if you consume cheese from a goat or a sheep, you're going to get A2. Now, I personally don't recommend consuming milk, but if you're consuming cheese, it would be awesome if you can actually get cheese that's A2. Do some research. There's one company I found called Cascade Creamery. Okay, so all of their cheese is A2, and it's probably going to have a lot better response on your digestive tract than other types of cheeses. And of course, cheese from goat's milk and sheep's milk would be awesome. All right, thanks for watching. Now, I always love getting feedback from you on these videos, so comment below and tell me what you think.